Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select meeting privilege functions on the Webex application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page and tap on Start Meeting. Start Meeting, after you have selected your audio, click on this Start button, tap on the three dots icon down below, and then scroll down till you find the meeting privilege option in the settings section. Here you have a bunch of options that you can choose, such as anyone can share anything, or mute on entry, raise hands, and reactions. And here you can also select whether you would like to display name with reactions. So these are all of the meeting privilege functions that you can turn on and off according to your preferences. So feel free to go back to this page and update these functions at any time you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.